Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a site that I found that I think is very interesting. It's a prop firm called Traders Imperium. I'll be going over their funded program and basically what they are offering. So this is the Traders Imperium website. That's the home, and it says start here. They have a funded trader program. They have a mastermind program. So basically what Traders Imperium does is they have a funded program where you pay a certain amount. I'll get to that in a few minutes. And then you're able to trade their capital. And they also have a mastermind program where it's more like a training. They'll have a very good mentorship program. Then you can check out their team here. They also have a couple of blogs. This is the affiliate program where if someone signs up under you, you get a small commission. So I'm interested in the funded program. This is you can go over this in your own free time. The thing that I like about it, they started around 2015, so they have been around for some time. I'm not a very big fan of prop firms that just pop up, and because they don't have a proven track record, so to say, they tend to fold fast. Also, these are in the UK, I think. So can give them a oh yeah, the other important thing is on Trustpilot they have a 4.7 rating. I also checked out the Google ratings. They've got about 91 reviews. There's one or two which are bad, but generally they have a very good review. So if you follow the programs, they've got the HTP Mastermind community where there's usually like someone who does an analysis, and it's like a teaching program. They also have a psychologist who helps you with trading psychology. What interested me the most is the funded program, which I'll talk about in a few minutes. There's also a mentoring, and oh yeah, if you want to get in touch with them, all you need to do is click here. When you click there, you enter your name, your email address, the subject, and the message. They'll get back to you in less than 24 hours. They are quite good. So let's go to the funded program. So it says right here you can take up to a 70% profit share, which is quite good. Yes, I'll just click get funded now. So Traders Imperium has got three size funded accounts. So once you sign up, you will get the $5,000 account, which is the evaluation size account. Now, in order for you to get 20,000, which is the amount that you want, you have to make $300. You have to be active, which means you have to have traded for a minimum of 30 days. And then the leverage is 1 to 100, and the one-time payment is £200, which is about $300 to about $250. The other one is the 12,500. That's the amount that you start with if you want a 50,000. So basically what's happening is when you sign up, you get if you want the 50, you first have to trade with a smaller amount size. I think they're doing this just to test to see the traders that really know what they're doing from those that don't. You have to be active for 30 days. You need a leverage of 1 to 100, 400 payment. I'm interested in this one. So one of the best things about the funded trader program that City Traders offers over all of them, I'm talking about FTMO included, I love this, guys, is the fact that you have, for you to hit your profit target, say you're interested in the $70,000 account, you have to make $1,225 from a $17,500 account. You can do this within 1 year. Yes, you can take your time. So this is perfect for swing traders or position holders. You don't feel the pressure. And the beauty of it is after you pass, you get 50% of whatever you make, which should cover the initial payment. I really like that about them. Where is that? There's some here it is. So this is very important. Now, the downside of City Traders is they limit your lot sizes. So for instance, if you're trading the 17,500, which is the $70,000 account, you can only trade with 0.85 lots. What that means is you can't trade more. So the way I would trade this is to break this into smaller lot sizes, maybe entering 0.08 if I'm scalping, not just using this at once. Then once you have the $70,000 account, you get $4.2 lots, which I think is okay. Then if you make 12.5%, they increase your account to 125,000 and they increase your lot size basically. So for me, I like this. I like the fact that you take so long, a year, but the daily drawdown that you should always remember is about 4%. You don't have to make a loss of 4%. And this is not just closed trades, but in your equity account. That's something to keep in mind. I like this I think for someone who's new, who wants to sort of learn trading and trading properly and who's got the time. I think City Traders is really good for them. But for someone who's a bit impatient, I don't recommend it for them. So I thought I'd just share this very brief video about City Traders Imperium. Thank you very much. Please enjoy your day and see you next time.